In this video, I will show you how to insert ChatGPT in Microsoft Word and Excel. So just click on add-ins and click more add-ins. And just you need to search GPT. Search GPT. You will see this first extension. Here you will see this first extension GPT for Excel Word. You can use it, and also you can need additional purchase may be required. So you can use your GPT API key with this extension in your Word or Excel. And there are some more options. So if you like any, so just click add and continue. Here you will see this extension icon. Click on it to activate. Click this menu and insert your API key. So this is the video to use ChatGPT in Microsoft Word or Excel. Thanks for watching.